Hi there. In this video, I want to show you one new trick that I discovered purely by accident. I generally like hearing books by Audible, or if I'm reading a document, if I can get it on audio, I like to be listening at the same time reading. And then I've been going on to all these free sites online to kind of convert a PDF document. But then I discovered that actually, if you have an Office 365, you can actually get it to read the PDF document to you whilst you are reading it. So you're going to have to open it up from your folder. For example, this one I called Artivils. Don't even know why I called it that, but there you go. And right here, it says read aloud. Now, you're going to discover, because I'm going to play it for you for a minute, you're going to discover that when you are reading document with spaces, it doesn't read it quite as good. So for example, let's take a look now.
Social entrepreneurship, pattern changing entrepreneurs, and the scaling of social impact.
However, as you go to the body of the document, then it reads it a lot better.
Abstract. This paper presents findings from an investigation of pattern-changing social entrepreneurs. We examined the efforts of 15 entrepreneurs and sought to understand the factors that enable successful ones to scale their social impact. All the entrepreneurs were operating in capital-constrained environments, and scaling required overcoming funding constraints.
Excellent. Now I can just open up my PDF document right here in Windows and get it read to me whenever I want. This is an amazing find. I'm so excited about it. And for some of you may already know, but I didn't know this until a day ago, and I thought I'll just share it anyway. Thank you so much. God bless. This is Bumi Tokon.